How to change currency on paper trading on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change your currency on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for paper trading. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on the setting icon over here. Now click on reset account. After you click on reset account, you can see the option for currency over here. Now click on this menu icon. You will be provided with multiple currencies over here. Select it according to your preference. After you select your currency, now click on reset account. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change our currency on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.